Today I'm going to be doing the ultimate modification guide for the N-Strike Secret Strike as-1. It's got a ton of power and it can be stripped down to a 4-inch pipe that's next to nothing. This is really useful for wars and games because you can take something like your radar, and I like to call it a panic button, because you come in and you just tape it onto whatever you've got and all of a sudden you have a spare shot and you can access everything and then just fire it when you run out of ammo in your main blaster. Now, to show you how to get to that point, I have a completely stock Secret Strike. Out of the package it comes with 2 Nerf darts and its blaster, which has a keyring attachment. The idea of keeping a Nerf blaster on my keyring just sounds ridiculous at best, so I'd like to take that off. To start, you need to know how it works. It's got one pump and then a release, and that's how it fires darts. The first mod that's easy to do is you lose air through this hole underneath. That's easy to stop by just taking a little piece of tape, sliding it in there, laying it down, and pulling it over. Inside the actual blaster is your air restrictor. To get it out, there's no way to cut this open and get in without pipe cutters. So you take a pair of needle nose pliers, reach in and grab the air restrictor itself, twist a couple of times, it's not coming out, you have to keep twisting to give it less grab inside, and it'll eventually come out. That's what that looks like. Then inside you still have the holes. The best way to get those out is with a drill. I like to use a 7/32 size drill bit, an electric drill. You just go down the barrel, and it comes out really fast. Cleaning it up is easy. You just rotate through, and you end up with a straight shot down into the black valve inside this thing. Now, if you're going to use it as a pocket rocket and keep it in your pocket, you want this casing on it because it makes it easier to hold. You may want to take the keyring off just so it's not in the way, which is easy because it just breaks right off. But I like to take the casing off completely so that it's a lot smaller. To do that, you need a Phillips head screwdriver, and the 4 screws come out pretty quickly. They're small silver screws. They look like that. I hate taking out screws on camera because it takes so much time, but I wanted to unbox this one and there was no way to take the screws out and then rebox it. Once I get it apart, you'll be able to see that this blaster is just about as stripped down as they can possibly get. All it is one barrel, a trigger, and then a chamber for storing air pressure. This is really great to attach onto other blasters. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.